In front of me is Nokia 6300 from 2020, and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So at first you need to open the camera. Okay, so it's right here. And now go to options. And you will notice timer as the second tab here, so just select set of timer and pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me go with 5 seconds delay, and as you can see from now on, you can grab a picture with 5 seconds countdown. So at first you've got this delay, and then the picture is grabbed. And this is it. Then if you'd like to change it, just open options again and go to timer, switch it off, and that's it. As you can see now, the picture is grabbed right after you click. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.